Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about the best six surface sites that you can start using in this year 2024 and you start earning right away. Some of the surveys that I'm going to talk about, survey sites, you get paid instantly. As long as you reach $1, you can get paid right away. Yes. And they have very many different options and so many things that you can do in this survey website. So if that's what you are looking for and you want to make money online as a beginner, this is for you. My name is Gloria, and on this channel, I talk about different ways on how you can make money online. And I talk about ways that I have used and they have really worked for me. So if that's what you are looking for, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, thank you. Let's get into the video. The first website that I'm going to show is called Prime Opinion. Yes, and this website, it's almost worldwide. Yes, even the place I am in right now recording this video, this website is also there. And it's easy to join. You don't have to have any qualification or any papers to start working on these survey sites. Yes, what you basically supposed to do when you are working on survey sites, they just require you to give your opinion on different things about online websites. Yes, there are so many people nowadays that are selling things online and they need your opinion. So on here on Prime Opinion, this is what they say: get paid to take free surveys. As I told you, joining is free, don't have to invest any money. Your opinions are variable and businesses are willing to pay for them and cash every day. As I told you, you voice out your opinion by writing it through the survey sites. They ask you questions, you answer them. If you're out there and you've not tried survey sites before, this is what basically you do. You just give your opinion. They will ask you a question and you give them your opinion, and it's supposed to be your honest opinion. Yes, you tell them and then you will earn money. Yes, they tell you here you can earn up this money, and if you want to sign up, it's not that difficult. When you sign up, you also get a bonus. And I'll leave a link in my description before. If you want to join, if you use my link, you'll get a sign up bonus. Yes. So signing up is not that difficult. All you need is an email. Yes. As long as you have a Google account, you put in your email. If you have Facebook or you are using Apple, you can join right away instantly. And when you join, you can get paid. So these are the companies they have worked so far with. They have worked with Uber, Visa, and as you can see, Save the Child. Yes, they have worked with all those companies. So you can start earning money by taking surveys here in Turkey, because as I'm recording right now, I'm in Turkey. Yes, but as I told you, it's worldwide. You can earn if you are in the US, if you are in Africa. So it depends where you are. The steps they are showing you here, the three steps you're supposed to take and join this Prime Opinion. Just register, sign up for an account which is free, participate in a survey you want, yes, and get cash or redeem over 100 rewards. Yes, you get cash. And what I like about this website, you can either get paid via your bank account or you can get paid via PayPal. So if you're in a country where they don't have PayPal, you have an option of a bank account. Yes, so that you can get paid. Yes, they are telling you you can earn via PayPal gift cards, also get an Amazon gift card, or withdraw the money via your bank account. So it depends on you. So the second website that I'm going to talk about is called Swagbucks. Yes, it's called Swagbucks. I've been working with this website and even I recently cashed out. Yes. So this is Swagbucks for you. It's not that hard to join. All you need is an email address. You sign up if you're using Gmail, or if you're using Apple, you just sign up and join today. So this so far the people that they have paid, how much they have paid. So if you want to earn money on this website Swagbucks, there are so many things you can do. You can watch videos, you can complete surveys, and they also have something which is called a daily bonus. When you complete it, you can get one swag bucks, but that daily bonus is not that difficult. Yes, that daily poll, you can answer it every day, and you can answer also survey questions. Yes. Then also another website that I want to talk about is called SuperPayMe. SuperPayMe is a good website, and one thing I like about it, you don't have to reach a threshold of $5 or 10, $20, because on some survey sites they will tell you you are supposed to reach $5, $10 to cash out. But on survey time, get instant reward for every survey you complete. Here on this website, every survey you complete, you get paid away right away, and instantly the money goes into your PayPal account. And they also have Bitcoin if you want to get paid via cryptocurrency. So if you want to sign up to this survey time, use your email, Facebook account, and you sign up. But if you already have an account, you just sign in. I already have an account. So if you want to join this survey time, I'll leave a link in the description below. As I told you, just give people your opinion. Yes, what you really think about their adverts, what you really think about their websites, and they will pay you. Yes. And on these survey sites, another thing, they have like qualification questions, but so those questions, they don't pay you. But there are some other websites which are good enough that they can compensate you. Yes. But here on these survey sites I'm showing you, there are some questions that sometimes you're supposed to answer, like your age, your date of birth, and they see if you are qualifying for the survey, because they are always looking at a certain age group. Yes, so it depends. You are supposed to qualify first so that you can start. That's the only qualification, your age. Or sometimes they will ask you, do you have kids? How many kids do you have? Or are you pregnant, or are you expecting a baby? But they think you are supposed to, you're supposed to be honest. I'm not expecting a baby, or I am expecting, because they might be asking you about things for buying for a baby, and when you don't have any idea. So those are the only things you need to get a survey. And they will also encourage you, tell you, if you didn't win on this survey, try another one. Yes, that's the only qualification you need. Just put in your information, and they don't give out your information out there to the public if you don't allow them. They will ask for your consent. Yes, they keep that information safe. And these are the ways that you can cash out. You can cash out via PayPal, via Bitcoin, and you're supposed to have a Coinbase account, via Amazon gift cards. And here they pay you instantly. Any survey you complete, you can cash out, or it's upon you saying, let my money pile up, then I'll cash out later. Then the other survey side I'm going to talk about is Ysense. Yes, I love this survey site, and I have even done a dedicated video about Ysense. You can go there, check it out, go into details, because I've done a video about it in details. So here on Ysense, you can also answer surveys, complete offers, or also be an affiliate for them and market this website for them, as I'm doing to you. And guys, don't forget to use the links I'm going to leave in the description below, so that you can join these websites. As I am earning, you are also earning, because when you join using my link, you get a bonus, and I also get a bonus. Yes. So this is what they say on Ysense, extra cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Yes, multiple earning options. As after you can do surveys, you can do offers. So it depends on you. Join now and start earning with paid surveys, cash offers, and more. Looking for all of this, you can go ahead and read. Yes, sign up for free, start earning. You can use your email password. As I told you, I'm leaving the links in the description below. Yes, you can use that my referral link, and you start earning right away. So they are showing you right here the companies that they are working with, companies that are partnering with them to give them surveys. Like this Toner Influencer is a good company also. Ad Get Media, Offertoll, Tap Research, Your Service, Polyfish. So it depends on the service that you want to do. Yes. Then the second web service side I'm going to talk about is called Life Opinion. Yes, it's called Life Points. Sorry, it's called Life Points, and you can join and you can join. It doesn't matter where you are in the country. They tell you here, your opinion is your future. Yes, because nowadays so many people want to buy things online, and you and me, we can help them make those sites good and favorable for people who want to to shop. They are earning, you are also earning. Take surveys to shape the future products and service and get paid for it. Get started today, and we will give you 10 life points as your first earnings. Yes, here they give you something like, the way they call it, it's points. Every survey site they have a way they call their points. Some of them they will call it rewards, others they'll call them points. So here, when you join us right away, you get 10 life points. Yes, they'll give you a bonus. So I'll leave a link in the description below. So if you want to join, you come on this button which says entrance, then you can join, sign up using your email, your email. They'll tell you, put in here your email, and as you can see, they wrote it in Turkish, but here they'll be telling you to put in your email and here your password. Then you can join right away and start earning. Yes, as you can see here, this is their registration page, so it's not that difficult to join. I'll also leave a link to these life points in the description below. Yes, if you want to join, you can join. Then another survey website that I'm really loving nowadays, it's the Ponds app. Yes, I've also done a dedicated video about the Ponds app. Yes, it's on my channel. You can go ahead and check it. Before, this app was all about sharing your unused internet. Yes, guys, here there are so also many different ways you can earn from. You can share your unused data. That's one way. So this is the website, how it looks like, but I'll also leave a link in the description below. And if you want to know more about this app in details, you can check out the video that I did about Ponds app. Yes. They tell you here, one app, many ways to earn, and it's true. It's one app, but there are so many ways to earn. Yes, share your opinion in daily surveys. They also added something about surveys, because before you could only share your unused internet, but now you can also give your opinion using surveys. You can complete a daily quest, like they have a spin. You can spin that wheel, get tickets to the Rotary, or earn cash like $5 and more, or get points. And those points, when they combine them, you can use them to cash out or buy some things in the website. They are also telling you, sell your unused bandwidth for 100% passive. Yes, if you are like, I don't want to do any survey, I don't want to do any daily quest or anything, you just download the app, you put it in your phone. As you are doing your things, you'll be sharing your internet, and that way you get paid. But if you want to boost your earnings and earn more, I would advise you add doing surveys, doing daily quest. And they also have other things, like you can go view their blog, they give you points. You can go check out their TikTok, they give you points. You can go check out their YouTube, they give you points. So you can either download this app on your mobile phone, or you can use it in your Windows, in your computer, or your MacBook. So it depends on which one you want. Yes, and these are the companies they are partnered with. As you can see, Amazon, Nesta, all of these, Walmart, as you can see there. Yes, they're telling you start earning right away. These their surveys, and their surveys, some of them pay really good. Yes, it's hard to find a survey site where a survey they will pay you $1 for just 15 minutes. So it depends. You can start sharing right away. They are showing you here, you are sharing your data, and this is the way they can pay. They can pay you via Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, Google Play cards, gift cards. There are so many different payment options that you can use on this website. And another way you can earn from here. You can invite your friends, they join, you earn. as they are earning. And guys, I'm inviting you join through my link. I'm going to leave all the links to these good websites I've showed you in the description box below. Please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up if it has really helped you, and if all these videos that I've been creating, they are really helping you, please don't forget to comment it in the comment section below so that we can help others. Yes, and they know that making money online, it's really true, and there are really websites that pay and people who are really talking the truth. Yes, thank you. God bless.